Yo, what's poppin', family? Hey, happy Halloween. Let's get it. Team Run It Up. You see what we doing. Hey, look. So we're gonna find out if Mickey Mouse can get higher tips, right? That's the plan today. Come on, Mickey. Let's get it. I just swiped a $58 batch triple. 2 of the orders contain alcohol. That means I will be having to scan IDs. Team Run It Up. I don't care what you do in life. I don't care if you're doing Instacart, DoorDash, or if you work a job. I don't care what you do. It's all about running it up. Positive, everything, you know, especially the finances. It's all about running it up. All right, let me go crush this. Let's get it.
Dummy, I don't get involved with the money. Why they got it tall, I didn't know me. Street, I'm a ball like I'm Kobe. Eat it up with the homies. Indeed, shine bright like it's sunny. Yeah, they don't love me. Yeah, I just think it's funny. Yeah, I'm a
Yo, Mickey's out here struggling, yo. This was a crazy order. So this is the first cart, and this is the second cart. Yo, A, B, C. Mickey Mouse out here struggling, yo. They wanted a dozen donuts. I had to figure out what type of donuts they want, everything. This is crazy, but hey, hopefully that tip go higher. So that order took way too long. About 45 minutes to shop. Hey, but you know, it is what it is. Let's deliver this thing. Mickey's on the way. Let's get it.
The destination is on your left.
Yo, Mickey done came to Costco, yo. Just swiped the $44 double. So my last order, they didn't tip me higher, but they did a set tip because I had to refund like 3 things, but they kept it. The money stayed the same, 58. We made 58 for that last order, so that's love. There it is, right? And right now, you guys know where we are. We're at Costco. So this customer got these. They look like little toy things that shoot something, shoot little balls out. And because they got some, I got some. And I'm gonna test them out on Bella. Hey yo, y'all ready for this? Mickey Mouse about to hit the drive-by on Bella. Here it comes, here it comes. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Bella, come here for a second. Yo, Bella got that work. My face. Woo! Mickey out here getting money. We just got a 51, 18 items Costco, so we're going right back to Costco. That last Costco order was garbage. Super garbage. Literally, when it starts to take me more time to find a parking spot than it takes to do a batch, yeah, I'm done. This is a 51, 18 items. All right, I'll see y'all in a second. Yo, this is crazy out here, man. It literally took longer to find a parking spot and check out than it took to do the actual shopping. I'm not coming back to Costco. Mickey running it up today. Yo, don't let Mickey run it up on you. Don't let Mickey outwork you out here, yo. Mickey Mouse is about to outwork you out here, yo. Nah. All jokes aside, fam. Seriously though, for the holidays, this is a strategy that I always use. Like, embrace the holiday, right? You get to the customer's house, they love that. Like, when they see that, the kids see it. If they have children, you know, they see, oh, Mickey Mouse, whatever, right? And, you know, they love it. So tips go higher, make a little bit more money, you know, and, you know, you make people feel good, you make people smile, spreading the peace and love. So it's just a strategy I use, and it works. But yeah, I'm not gonna work all day today. I got a lot of stuff to do. Then I wanna edit this and drop this on Halloween. So yeah, I probably won't work all day, just do a couple batches. But yeah, Mickey Mouse is here, running it up. Let's get it. All right, Mickey got one more batch in him. I don't feel like working all day, but I just got a 46. 46 double going right back to Mickey Mouse's house, so I might as well do it, right? Let's do this. It's the last batch. And yo, for everyone out there, happy Halloween. Let's get it. Easy, easy, Mickey. Easy, Mickey. And we made 197. So, not bad, not bad. Did a couple of batches, right? Doing my Mickey Mouse thing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, not bad day. About $32 an hour, right? So we just chilling. Tap Mickey Mouse. You already know what it is. Until the next one. Happy Halloween, y'all. I'm out. Peace.